We're up here at Duthie Hill Bike Park. We're going down Gravy Train. I'm using a newly acquired Transition Covert 2014 26er. It has a carbon fiber frame. It has a Fox 34 float up front and Fox float in the rear. It's 160 millimeters of travel front and rear. It's a little bit different. I thought the 26-inch wheel would make it a little more flickable in the air, but I haven't really gotten that far yet. I'm still trying to get used to the bike because it feels a little bit different. So I'm gonna make some more runs until I start to feel comfortable. Then I'll start doing some small cross-ups and maybe some tail whips and see how that works out. But I gotta get used to the trail. There's been some changes on the trail. Fly, son, get in the way. There's been some changes in the trail, but I don't think it's going to matter that much. I went down it once already, and it seems to be minor changes. Yeah, so far I think it's going to be a really good bike, from what I can tell, how it feels. It's going to be about 4 to 5 pounds lighter than my Polygon Siskiyous T7 once I get it all equipped the way I want it to be. Get it all set up. All right, let's hit this. I had to do some work on the bike. The brake liners were rubbing the rotors. So I had to go back to the truck, use a wrench to hold this in position, and then tighten it up. It's slowing me down too much. So let's give this a try without the brake shoe rubbing on the rotor. Gotta run in. Ah, it's getting late. Got it in the right gear. Whoa. Whoa! Perfect. That felt so good. Oh, that was fun. Whew. Okay, on this run, I'm going to try and do tail whips to the right. So I need to go into the turn. I need to go into the turn to the left, then turn to the right, and turn quickly to the left again. So left, right, left. You get the tail to go out to the right, left, right, left. All right. Seats down, get it in the right gear. Yep. Feels different because I naturally like to go to the left with my tail whip. Whoa. Oh, cased it. Oh. Woo! That was challenging. Doing it to the opposite that I favor. Okay, so if I'm going to be doing a tail whip to the right, I go in left, go right, then exit left, then turn left in the air. And I got to have my right foot forward. I think that's where I'm not doing. I think I might be left foot forward, but I should be right foot forward. So let's try that. So left, right, left, right foot forward. Seats down, get in the right gear. So I just coast and right foot forward. There we go. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Whoa. Right foot forward. Oh, too high in the berm. Oh, case. Okay, so I'm trying to do a little tail whip off to the right. So if I go into the jump left, right, then exit left and stay turn like this. Tail should come around like that, straighten out, should come back in. But I have to be right foot forward. Seat down, get it right gear. Right foot forward, left, right, left. Oh yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh. Shit. So I fell. Not unusual. It's like I fall like every other weekend. But so I tried to oversteer and I couldn't oversteer to bring the bike back underneath me, and the front wheel just washed out. And I went over the bike and I got a small little cut right down here. But it's like I said, it's not my natural side to put my right foot forward. My natural side is left foot forward. So, but I think this bike is going to be working out really good. I think it's going to be working out really well. I like the smaller wheels. It's really quick. The front wheels are really quick. The little wheels are quick. The 26 inches, they're quick.